Hi, I'm Matt, the in-house shameless plug-ologist here at Red Pepper, and welcome to another edition of Touch on Tech, where we cover the latest uses of emerging technology. Was that right? Did you hear about OpenAI's new text generator? It's able to write articles that you'd see on the internet from scratch. And it sounds like a human wrote it, but it really was a robot. They didn't release the full version of it, but they have released a demo version which doesn't do quite as well as the full version. And so we decided to give it a try to see if it could generate some recipes from scratch that we could cook up and taste for ourselves. So if you'd like to see what we cooked up, just head on over here and go see for yourself how tasty AI can be. Thanks for the full bellies, robots. So KFC, the clever marketers they are, have pulled off yet an even more clever way to market themselves. They have started an Indiegogo for a KFC hot tub bucket that is the size of a hot tub, but instead of chicken in it, you put yourself, and I guess you cook yourself. Not only are they using a platform that is not made for advertising to advertise themselves, but they're also making money from this advertisement because people are donating to fund this Indiegogo. That would be like us opening up a restaurant made by AI on OpenTable and letting you make reservations for dessert with sheep pancake ice cream. So the internet disrupted newspapers, Uber disrupted taxi cabs, and now Tide is disrupting the dry cleaning industry. They've got an app now that lets you do dry cleaning on demand. So you just open up your Tide bag, throw all your stuff in there you want dry cleaned, get your app, and walk to your nearest kiosk, throw them in. Then the next thing you know, you're getting a notification that all your stuff's dry cleaned like magic. Then you just walk over to a locker and pick up your dry cleaning, and it's done. Now you can spend that extra time eating pancakes. So just like Tide's disrupting an industry, so is Mars Pet Care with their new brand Puppo, which uses AI to create a personalized dog food just for your pet, which is probably a dog in this case. And we may have helped them with that. So the article group on Twitter posted a tweet that said, hey, someone should Photoshop a bunch of AirPods in famous works of art. And so the internet responded. So this was a great way to get publicity around your product, especially for poor Apple who has no money. And while this was a clever use of Twitter, we found out that our own Jessie Spear in-house has already done this, so she did it first. Hey Twitter, how about you tweet some beats on tweets? Because Twitter needs some free marketing too. Beats, tweets. So if you're into meditation and technology, which normally the two do not go together, then you're going to be interested in this new tool called Helium, which is an AR and VR, augmented reality, virtual reality tool that helps you meditate. The trick is it uses your mind and some brainwave sensors to help you control the entire environment while you're in it. So you get real mind control in a virtual world. It's like everybody's dream. So all you do is just put on a headset like this, it'll read your brainwaves, and whenever you go into a meditative state, it'll let you control things in the virtual world. And that's it for another edition of Touch on Tech. As always, thanks for stopping by and spending some time with us, and I hope to see you next time on another edition of Touch on Tech.